For these notes, we're going to review a few important facts about angles that you have learned prior in 8th grade and 7th grade. So the first fact we're going to talk about are straight angles. Straight angles are also just straight lines. A straight line has 180 degrees. So if this is a straight line, which it definitely looks like it is, and this angle that's being created by this ray is 50 degrees, and the entire angle has to be then I can find the value of B by subtracting 180, which is the total, minus 50. Another way of thinking about this is angle B plus 50 is 180. If you subtracted 50 to both sides, you would see that B therefore has to equal 130 degrees. The next angle that is maybe one of the most important angles for everyone to remember, that's going to be useful not only in this unit but in every math class from here on out, are vertical angles. So vertical angles are created by two intersecting lines. So a vertical angle is going to be any angle that is directly across. So you'll see that when we make two intersecting lines, there are different angles that are created. Vertical angles are the angles that are across from each other. Therefore, if this is 43 degrees, B is also 43 degrees. So you'll see that vertical angles are really easy because they're congruent, and it can give you really quick insight into what another angle is. A right angle is definitely something you've heard before. It is an angle that creates 90 degrees. So again, just like we solved the straight angle, we know that these two angles that have been created, B and 63, if we added B and 63 together, we should get 90 degrees because they're both inside of a 90-degree angle or a right angle. So B plus 63 equals 90 degrees. If we subtracted 63 on both sides to solve for B, that means that we would have B equals 27 degrees. Lastly, we're going to talk about the angle of a circle. A circle is always 360 degrees. So I know that if I were to rotate all the way around this point and create a circle, it needs to equal 360 degrees when added together. So right now we have three angles, 209, B, and 96. To figure out what B is, we could add all of this together and set it equal to 360. So 209 plus 96 plus B equals 360. On my calculator, I know that 209 plus 96 is 305. So that means 305 plus B equals 360. Subtracting 305 on both sides means that B would equal 55 degrees. So if we put that in the calculator, we'll see that, and we add them all up. So 209 plus 55 plus 96, those are the three angles, all add up to equal 360 degrees.